In this video, you will learn how to browse for material data in Granta Selector. We will find data for the polymer polypropylene. In the Browse panel, select Material Universe. You can view all materials, or focus on a subset, like polymers. Expand the browse tree, which is arranged in a hierarchy of material types. Scroll down to PP Polypropylene. Double-click the folder to open the overview datasheet and view general information about grades of PP. Expand the tree further, and open a datasheet for a specific PP record. Click the icon for background information about a property. At the bottom are links to records in other data tables. Follow these to view datasheets on applicable processes or commercially manufactured grades.